How to add collapsible product description section in Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add a collapsible product description section in Shopify. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard. Once you are in, go to the left menu and click on Online Store. On the right side, next to your installed theme, you will see 3 dots. Click on them, and from the drop-down, select Duplicate. We are duplicating the theme because we're going to make changes to the theme code, and having a backup ensures your original theme stays safe in case anything goes wrong. Once the theme is duplicated, click on the 3 dots again, and this time select Edit Code. The interface has recently changed, so if things look different, don't worry. From the left side, find and open the Sections folder. Scroll down until you find a file named mainproduct.liquid. Once you locate it, click on it. On the right side, you'll now see all the code related to your product page. Now press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the search bar. In the search field, type Description to find the section that contains the product description. It starts with a comment that says When Description. Right under that, you will see the entire div section responsible for displaying your product description. As shown in the video, highlight the entire div block. Before deleting anything, right-click on this code and select Copy. Open a notepad file and save it as a backup in case anything breaks. Next, replace that div section with the new code I've provided in the video description. This new code enables the collapsible description feature. Once you paste the updated code, go to the top right corner and click Save. Now go back to your store to preview the changes. Once you're inside, open the product page where you added this feature. You'll notice that when you click under the Buy It Now button, the collapsible description opens. The code is successfully applied, but it may look broken or misaligned at first. Don't worry, there's a simple fix. Go back to the Edit Code page, find the highlighted line shown in the video, and remove it. Then click Save again. Now refresh your product page, and there you go. The collapsible description is working perfectly, expanding and collapsing smoothly. You can further customize the styling or behavior by editing the code as needed. And that's it. This is how you can add a collapsible product description section to your Shopify product page. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.